guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. Gosh, I'm so proud of us. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I never thought we would see 2025. When I was younger, I just felt like 2020 just sounds so fake. But here we are in 2026. Girl, what? I definitely thought the world was gonna end before then, not gonna lie. But here we are. So it's 2026 and I'm doing a new thing. I just want to try new things every month of this year, whether that is trying a new experience, trying to go somewhere different, trying a new restaurant, getting into a new hobby. I'm just making it my goal for every month to try something different because I can be such a creature of habit. I feel like a lot of us are. So to push myself out there and out of my comfort zone, that's what I'm doing. So we try some new different self-care routines. Typically I do get a massage every month, but I tried a different massage, which is a lymphatic massage. That was different. That was okay. It was okay. Not as relaxing as I wanted it to be, but yeah. So I'm just urging you guys to try some new things every month. Switch up your self-care routine. Try something different. Try a new form of hair removal, waxing, laser. Try a different spa. Try a different nail salon. Like, just do something different, okay? Switch it up a little bit, because when you keep doing those routine things over and over again, it just gets boring. So yeah, let's get straight into the vlog. I have ran my mouth too much. Let's get into it. It is impossible to get anywhere in DC on time because it's always traffic, especially right here. What's this? Minnesota Avenue. Whatever this avenue is right here, 450, whatever this one is, y'all, it is always backed up. But I am on my way to get my facial. I haven't had a facial since August. It's August, and I actually went to Glow Bar too to get this facial, and I liked it. I liked it a lot. I feel like my skin is looking a lot better, a lot better since then. So we'll see how it does again. But I try to get my facials like every so often because I was going to my girl Yana for a good 6 months, like every month. But just to maintain my skin, I try to go like every 3 months, see what the esthetician says I might need to do moving forward, especially since it's a new season, it's the winter time. They can look at my skin under the microscope or whatever that like tool is and actually see like how my skin is looking. So I just trying to take care of my skin and get it back to the way it was after going through like a lot of stress and stuff and environmental changes. Like, I'm also 30 now, so girl, I'm just trying to take care of myself the best way I possibly can so that I don't look my age ever. That's the goal. That's always the goal. That's always been the goal for women. We don't want to look our age. We want to look youthful. We want to maintain our youth and the glow. So yeah, this is how my skin is looking right now. This dark spot has went down a lot. Like, it's improved a lot, got lighter. And then the spots on my forehead have improved a lot too. 30 more minutes to get to this appointment, and it's in Georgetown because it's closer to the other place I'll be going to get a massage, a lymphatic massage. But Georgetown has no parking. I didn't think of that when I made my appointments. You know how that is going to go. But I think there's parking close by. They were saying like a little parking lot. Now Georgetown has like these little parking lots. It's like 1 or 2 maybe. But I'm gonna try to park in that so that I can get over there quickly, because with the Glow Bar you have to wash your face and then they do the rest. It's like a express facial, which at first I was like, I don't really like the idea of that, but then I was like, I kind of like the idea of that, because when you're getting older, like, baby, time don't wait for nobody. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I parked right here, right? And it is literally right there, and I parked right in front of it. So I had to reschedule my appointment to 12:40, but it's 12:06. He was saying like if I go past 10 minutes then he'll have to reschedule. But I'm like, okay, well, should I just I mean, it kind of works out. So yes, I'm going to the Talks, which is 4 minutes away. Excuse me, but I scheduled my appointment like that just so I could get something to eat while I'm out here. But I'm like, okay, well, I can eat now. I'm gonna go to Tate's because Tate's is literally right here. I see which one you're trying to get. Right? You can probably get it out though. Oh, it's good. It does look. Like, do you have a cleanser? Because I have a cleanser at home, like that's gel, but I don't really like it. This is y'all's scrunchie. I just keep it. So, I don't know. But yeah, I have a cleanser at home. It's the soap. I think it's like soapy. Soapy Paddock. The clean sort of thing. I think so. 15-20% off your products. I think it's 15.
Okay.
Sometimes it's 20.
Okay.
Sometimes when we have stuff going on for holidays, it's 25.
Is it 25? Nah.
No. It just passed. Our black stuff just passed.
Got you. But I do want to get this one. I think this is the one that she was saying was really good. I couldn't record in there for real because it was really nowhere to put the camera, but it was really nice. It was really nice. She said she's going to send the before and after of how my stomach looks and my legs, because she did lymphatic drainage on my legs and then my stomach, of course. So we'll see. I got me some, I got the lymphatic detox gummies, so I'm gonna try these out. She was recommending the tea, but I was like, girl, I don't really drink tea like that. Like, that's not really my vibe. That's not really my cup of tea. Give me a little gummy, give me a little, you know what I'm saying? So, and I really want to get I want to change this earring so bad. But I don't want to get, this one is from Studs. The other one I had before that was from Studs, but I don't like their earrings. I feel like they're cheap. So I think I'm gonna go to my regular place that I get my earrings from, which is called Frasier Piercings, but that's it ain't around here. It ain't around here. And Cooper is gonna have to go out in an hour. Before we got started, she was like, you know, we're gonna, what'd she say? You deserve self-care or something like that. Always feel like I deserve self-care. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing I'm not gonna deprive myself of is self-care. Hello. Good morning, girlies. I am going to get my hair touched up today. Also, I'm also going to wax my nose. I know people don't like when I do that, but I don't like having little nose hairs getting makeup on it and then it looks like I have a booger in my nose. I hate that. 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 We're gonna get that up off of there. I'm not gonna put anything on my head, but I need to figure out what I need to put on my head. Does that make sense? So I don't look crazy. So I'm gonna show you because I look crazy. Right, I look crazy. It's more so this part that needs to be touched up. Like, I need this to, like, because at first it was like going this way, like the hair was moving like that way. Now it's down because my hair has grown out a little bit. The hair is still a little wet, so she said to come wash and blow dried or air dried. So we're air drying, but it's not dry. It'll be dry by now.
That's so weird. Because I did it at 11 o'clock last night. So I mean, I guess I didn't. But y'all, the hair has held up. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now, I don't gotta have new hair for a little while now. Thinking about doing for like the spring, I wanna do, I don't know if I'm gonna do it for my birthday though. Can't try no new hairstyles for your birthday, but I wanna do like the flip over sewing, but I have like this it's called Vietnamese curly hair or something like that. It's like short and it's real curly. I feel like that'd be really cute. My hair got a little lighter because this side had my skunk stripe, so it was blonde. This side is fine. It flows. Done getting my hair done. As you guys can see, I don't understand how she got it so freaking flat. Like, excuse me, it looks so good. Like, I don't know how she does it, but y'all go to her Hair by Money Extensions. That's her Instagram page if you want to get your hair done. Her extensions, hands down, best hair I've ever felt in my life. So I love it. I love, like, literally the hair is just like, are you kidding me, bro? Argue with your mama, don't argue with me, okay? Because pay for quality. Yes, ma'am. Pay for it. You want good stuff, you gotta invest in it. This hair was expensive. Now granted, I'm gonna have it for, you know, a little minute, like at least a year, 2, 3, right? Hello papi, mais qu'est pas ça? J'entends des bails atroces sur moi. À ce qui paraît, je te cours après. Mais ça va pas, mais t'es taré. Mais comment ça? Le monde est typé. Tu croyais quoi? Qu'on se verrait plus jamais. Je pourrais t'afficher, mais c'est pas mon délire. D'après les rumeurs, tu m'as eu dans ton lit. Oh, dja dja. Y'a pas moyen, dja dja. Alright y'all, so I just got my nails done. They look so good. We did like this cat eye burgundy shade. I love it. And on my toes I just got burgundy, but I love a French set, don't get me wrong. A French manicure on the toes eats down so bad. You got some stuff on you, but yeah, it eats down so bad. But I decided to do something different just because I've been doing that for the past year now. French French on my toes or white on my toes, or white on toes, either or. Nails, I always do something different. This time I did burgundy because I never done burgundy before, and I think it looks nice on me. Something different. Now I need to wax my brows. I need to wash my car. Well, not me wash it, but I need to go to the car wash real quick because it's so much salt and like dirt on it from the past couple of weeks. And then I'm also going to wax my nose hairs just like right here. I'm not gonna go all the way up it because I know it's, you know, we need the nose hairs, but I feel like I need to like wax it a little bit. Just it's getting too long, like it's coming down, and then my makeup be on it, then it's gonna have a booger in my nose, and I don't like that. But oh, and I got some salad because, as y'all know, I'm back on my wellness stuff. Not back on that, I'm always on my wellness journey, but I am continuing it and making sure I prioritize working out. That is the goal. Like, even if I'm busy, I need to start prioritizing working out.
And I did it up until a good point last year, like even throughout the summer. I did really good last year with that, and I just want to continue to do that, and not let work get in my way, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, the nails look so good. What was I gonna say about my burgundy? Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I am such a simple, like elevated, basic type of girl. Like, give me a French set but add a little pizzazz to it. Give me a white but add a little sparkles to it. Like, it just adds like a touch of like, those look different, you know? That's what I like, that's what I like, that's what I go for. It just looks so good. But let me go over here so I can start heading home. We're up close and personal. Very up close and personal because we're about to do these nose hairs. So I'm only gonna take a little bit of my wax. I don't need too much. Literally this much. You can see that much. Yup, and then just pinch your nose in. And we just gotta wait until it dries. If it's still sticky, it ain't ready. Once it's not sticky, it's ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Y'all see the nose hairs, little hairs? Give me a little bit again. Bow. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, it wasn't ready. Oh, it felt ready though. Oh no. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Don't you even panic, because if this happens to you, I'm so glad this happened. I look crazy. But if this happens to you, don't you worry. Get another one. It's only on this side, so you can get the rest of it, the wax. Don't panic, don't panic. It's gonna come out. Make sure it's on it. Listen, I'm sweating. Sweating. Okay. 3, because I'm playing. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. And I got the rest of it. Oh, look at that. See what I'm saying? Them little tiny nose hairs. All right, I'm gonna do a little cleanup on my brows. Just, you know, just get that little bit right there. But you see like the difference, this side versus this side. Got those little tiny hairs. And this side cleans up just a little bit. It's just that one hair though, right there.